after this, when we talk about the judicial system or the judicial administration, so as we have seen, the population was growing, the economy was a quite challenging factor during that time, or at least at the end of the Gupta period. Okay, and that is why you will see that the crimes are being increasing. Why? Because the deviance is increasing in the society, and once the deviance is increasing, okay, there would be the major gaps between the rich and the poor. There would be major gap between the caste of the peoples. Okay, so here that as and when the deviance increases, the criminal activities would be also increasing. Okay, and as the criminal activity increases in the Gupta period, we'll see that the judicial arrangements would be done for the civil as well as the criminal laws or the criminal codes. Okay, after that, the king was the supreme authority who was the final judgment giving person. Okay, like what today we have for the right, we have the powers and the functions of the president. If we need to change the decision of the Supreme Court, where we are going to go? We are going to go at the president, right? Now the similar case is being applied here in the Gupta period, but it was the centralized authority and not the republic authority. Okay, now the Fa-Hien talks about that the capital punishment is never implemented in the Gupta period. Now the Fa-Hien talks that the capital punishment, okay, is never being implemented during the Gupta period. Okay, so if the statement comes that yes, capital punishment were there, so no, there were no capital punishment, but yes, the criminal and the civil jurisdictions were present during the Gupta period. Okay, so here we complete the overview of the Gupta period. Okay, after this we are going to have the minute details of the Gupta period. Okay, so first let us again revise, because if you don't understand the contemporaries of each and every development, you won't be able to understand the Gupta period or the post Gupta period. Okay, so first it is the Chandragupta I who establishes the Gupta Empire. Okay, he marries the princess of the Nepal. Okay, that is the Kumaradevi. Okay, and this has been taken it on the coinages also. Okay, after that he is also called as the Maharaja Dhiraj, that is the kings of the kings. Okay, king of the kings. Okay, now in the, although this is AI image, but here you can see how was the condition during the Gupta period. Okay, now after this, Samudragupta, he came to be known as the conqueror of the Aryavarta. He came to be known as the Napoleon of India. He came to be known as the Dharma Prachar Bandhu through Allahabad inscription. Okay, and he also has to be known as the Prayag Prashasti, that is the expansion done by him, was praised by Harisena, that is the court poet. Okay, after that the Chandragupta II, okay, now he would be getting, or he is the first one to get the title of the Vikramaditya. Okay, he married the Kumaragupta, who was the princess of the Vakataka kingdom. Okay, after that he would be defeating Sakas, Malwas and Gujarat, that is why he is getting Vikramaditya, and he patronized Navaratnas, and one major evidence of this his period is that he would be starting to issue silver coins. Okay, after that it's the Kumaragupta. Now the Kumaragupta would be establishing Nalanda University, that is he would be focusing upon the skill and the science and technological development. Okay, after that he would be issuing the Kartikeya coins, or on the coins which consisted of the peacock like features. Okay, he faced the Huna invasions, and again the Skandagupta, he would be also fighting against the Huna invasion, Pushyamitras. Okay, again he was the second who would be getting the Vikramaditya title. So his stories were inscripted on the Junagadh inscription. Okay, after that we have seen the administration, how structurally it was. Okay, first it's king, then the bhuktis, then the vishyas, then the vithis, and then the gramini. Okay, I repeat again, please remember these words, because these words would be the catcher of your answers. Okay, if you know the meaning of these words, you would be able to analyze which statement is right and which statement is wrong in the exam. Okay, so remember Fa-Hien also, he was a contemporary during the Gupta period. Fine, that's it. Let's meet in the next section.